Hello and welcome to your lesson today. It's breathing, external respiration, questions and answers, and some exercises. So let's begin. In today's English lesson, in our medical text, we do breathing, external respiration. Today's lesson is about the questions and answers on page 22 and page 23. And on page 23, we also have some exercises. So let's begin. On page 22, we open our books and we answer the following questions before reading the text. Number 1, why do we breathe? Well, there are a number of answers why we breathe, but let's say number 1, we breathe because living organisms depend on it and require oxygen for metabolism. Question number 2, can we breathe at any speed we want? Well, I would say yes. Yes, we can breathe at any speed we want. We breathe unconsciously, but we can also breathe consciously, regulating the speed of our breath. So, yes, we can breathe at any speed we want. Number 3, can we stop breathing willingly for a very long time? Yes, we can stop breathing willingly, maybe up to a minute or 2, but I think if we stopped breathing willingly further than that we might be in some kind of danger, that we might damage maybe some organ, maybe the brain. So yes, we can stop breathing willingly, maybe up to a minute or 2, but not more than that. Question number 4. How long can you hold your breath? Well, this is an individual question, and everyone has their limit when they stop breathing or when they hold their breath. So, for instance, I can hold my breath for 20 seconds, for instance, or I can hold my breath for 1 minute. Some people can do it more, some people can do it longer, but it's up to you. Number 5. What must you do before you dive under the surface of a lake, or maybe dive under the surface of water, just water? So before you dive underwater, you must hold your breath. Sometimes we can do this by holding our nose. So yes, before you dive underwater, you must hold your breath. We can't breathe underwater, can we? So number 6, what is oxygen and where is it found? Oxygen is a chemical element that is colorless and odorless. It is needed for animal and plant life. It is also needed for breathing. So where can we find it? We can find it in the atmosphere. We continue with our questions on page 23. The first set of questions on page 22 were more of a personal nature, but page 23, the questions are related to the text. So, question number 1, it says here, why do we breathe? We answered that question already. Number 2, it says, what is a byproduct of breathing? So, the byproduct of breathing is carbon dioxide. Number 3, why do we breathe in and out? We breathe in and out because the lungs are provided with air by inhaling, and carbon dioxide is removed by exhaling. So, inhaling, exhaling. Number 4. What is the primary purpose of the lungs? The primary purpose of the lungs is the gas exchange called respiration. Number 5. How does the diaphragm help breathing? The diaphragm contracts to promote inhalation and relaxes to promote exhalation. Number 6. Where is oxygen taken out of the air and exchanged for the carbon dioxide? Well, at the end of each bronchiole are tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is the place where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide actually happen. So we move on to the next exercise, and it's called What is the Word? There are short definitions here, and we try to guess the word from the text. Number 1, the invisible, tasteless, odorless mixture of gases surrounding the earth. And the answer is oxygen. The next definition, number 2, a tube 11.3 centimeters long from the larynx to the primary bronchi is a trachea. Number 3, the two main branches leading from the trachea to the lungs, providing a passageway for the air, are the bronchioles. And the last definition, number 4, a sound produced by pursing your lips and blowing is whistle. Well, that's all for now, and if you have any questions, write them in the comment box below the video if there is anything still you do not understand. So that's all for today, and goodbye.